this, I don't even know if hearing well or see, but this is probably like the best way to start if you've never done it before, because it's got like this little tunnel shit going on, and then the pallets are stacked up down there, and it's really anybody could do this. Kid, bring them pallets to you right here, you would think they're sitting right in front of you. But let's say that you're wanting to go to the stars, and I like to go to the stars. You don't want to start with the stars. You want to start here and go through all this shit, and then go through the trees to the stars, and then bring the stars. You'll be able to bring the stars back down, or at least one of them, or whatever. I don't know what the fuck you bring it down, but yeah, my phone's right there. You have to do a little optical illusion research. Once you get it formed, you'll see three. So what you're doing is you're basically you're stacking visions. The pallets are gonna keep stacking up. This is hard to explain. But when you get them, you'll start seeing, like I got an X right now. I want to make that a plus sign. It brings it up. Then it starts going to a cross. What I'm doing is I'm going up the corner of the building. When I get to, and I'm doing this kind of fast, I'm just demonstrating. When I get to the corner, you can kind of draw the shit out and it'll catch up. There's that little wire right there. I'm gonna make an X with that. Bring it back. What I'm trying to do is get whatever image I got on the bottom of this vape right now, I want to get it to the top without turning the vape. This is just a demonstration. It'll take a long time. Once you got it to the top, once you got that flipped up, and it's going to be flipping all around as you go. Then you start moving into the trees. Each little branch, you can't make no big leaps like that. You got to go through every little bullshit. You'll have to move with it. once you get to the, it takes forever to do this shit. Like I say, I'm just demonstrating. I don't even know how to do that right. I wish there was a way to where y'all see what I see. I would recommend doing some research on optical illusion, which I need to do that myself. But what does this have to do with weather? I don't know yet. But I know it has something to do with weather. Like, if you you build a bonfire. Have you ever built a bonfire before, or something kind of big? And you notice how it'll start bringing in its own wind and shit. The bigger the fire, the bigger the wind. Especially in places like Oklahoma where it's already kind of windy anyway. And the wind will be kind of blowing and you build a fire and it kind of redirects towards it. Well, the same difference. When I'm doing this, it does that. When I get hot, that is.